Hey folks, Danny back with Partay, and this morning I just wanted to share a little bit here of my aquarium. This is in a fully lit room, over somewhere in the ballpark of about 10,000 lumens of light filling up the room. Roughly on the screen there, at least the top quadrant, you're looking at least about 180 lux, about 140, 120 as you get down towards the bottom. But just wanted to give you an idea what this looks like, what a real image looks like that's not rigged through the phone, to give you an honest impression of what a black screen can do in bright light and the purposes that it serves, right? So this is probably the most general purpose screen for a black screen that we've ever created or I've ever seen. Now I've seen obviously like Black Diamond, their 1.4 model isn't really black. If you get into their 0.8, it's a darker color, but it is not a full black. This, however, is a 25 lumen projector that I'm using from 4 feet away to project in a fully lit room. 25 lumens, not 50 lumens, but also want to cite that the projector that Ken was using in his latest video, which is why I'm having a little fun here, isn't really a 50 lumen projector. The 50 lumen model on that, the zoom is on the top front left, okay? It's not on the side. So you look at the model that he has, that's actually a 200 lumen model. That's been debunked numerous times, and he just keeps trying to put that out there. But this is 25 lumens in fully lit room from 4 feet away, and you can see I turned the lights off here. And what 25 lumens, this is a window effects unit, one of the first generation, that was 25 ANSI lumens. Uses, if I remember correctly, I think it was a 5-watt bulb, little small bulb that you put in there. And it was meant to use like a little white screen, a little white vinyl piece that comes with it, that you would put up in windows or in the door to show ghost, Halloween stuff, Christmas stuff, things like that. So just a little toy projector. 360p is the actual specs on this thing. So not something that would ever approach home theater grade by any means. But just to show you what 25 lumens on this screen looks like, even in full light. So it's fun for me to be able to come out and say, one, you just lied about your projector settings a couple of days ago. Now you're lying about your little Pico projector. And it's just funny to me that even with the lies, you still can't get a good image over there. And if I'm wrong, Ken, if I'm wrong, sue me. All right. Well, I hope you guys have a great Friday and a great weekend. You guys take care. Bye.